Yes. Very good evening, guys. Very good evening. All right, you can hear me and you can see the screen. All right, guys. So, guys, before starting our session, happy Holi, guys, everyone. Happy Holi. That is good. Harshini, that is good. All right, guys. I wish you everyone a very same to you. Thank you for the wishes. I hope you have enjoyed like today very much with your friends, neighbors, colleagues. Right. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your wishes. All right. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, before starting our session, as always, let us try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concept which we had covered in our last days of our session. That is in our yesterday. Right. Guys, yesterday we have started discussing about actually not started discussing. We have completed discussing about inheritance. Now, before going to that, I just want to have a quick recap of encapsulation and inheritance. Right. So, guys, yes, we have started regarding these OOPS features almost like 3 to 4 days back. First, we have seen what is the difference between object-oriented programming languages and procedure-oriented programming languages. After that, we have seen the features like what are the features which are present in object-oriented programming languages. Like I told you, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. So first, we have started discussing about encapsulation. First, so I already told you guys, encapsulation means like generally when we say this, like when we ask this question, what is encapsulation, most of the time people will be saying that encapsulation means wrapping up of data or binding up of data into single unit. But I strongly recommended you, I requested you, I insisted you, please don't say that definition. Encapsulation in the sense it is a process of making fields as private. One more time. Encapsulation means it is a process of making fields as private and providing access to those fields with the help of public methods. That is through setters and getters methods. That is through setters and getters methods. So we already seen that, like what is encapsulation. And after that, we had started discussing about inheritance, right? Inheritance. What are the important points which you need to remember in inheritance? Inheritance means acquiring the properties of one class into another class. Acquiring the properties of one class into another class. That is actually known as inheritance. Guys, we have already discussed about that inheritance concept, and then we have seen like what is parent class, what is child class, and what are the important key points which we need to remember in inheritance. Key points, like how many points I told you, guys? How many points I told you? 4 points, like 4 important key points I told you. So all those particular 4 points, we already covered them. And then we have started discussing like yesterday, like, yeah, we had seen the types of inheritance also, like single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. And of course, Java does not support multiple inheritance also. We already covered that. And yesterday we have discussed regarding super keyword and super constructor call. Super keyword and super constructor call. Did you remember that? Yes. Yes, I already gave you the differences also. Like what is the difference between super keyword, super constructor call, this keyword, this constructor call, all that particular concepts we have already covered in our yesterday's class. Right. So today we are going to discuss about entirely a new feature of object-oriented programming concepts, that is polymorphism. 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 Mamata, can you see the screen? Mamata, can you see the screen? Please tell me. Yes or no? Yeah, previously also you are seeing the screen, Amma Mamata. I did not use any concept. Previously also did not wrote anything. I just kept only my wallpaper only. Okay. Right. Okay, guys, polymorphism. Now, what is polymorphism? Right. Guys, please concentrate correctly. It is not going to take much time. This is very simple. Okay. Now, what is polymorphism? It is a process of, please listen, it is a process of polymorphism. It is a process of performing various tasks, with the same identity. This is important. This is literally very important. Polymorphism. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism means it is a process of performing various tasks with the same identity. Okay, that is the process, that is actually known as polymorphism. Actually, guys, do you know what polymorphism, that is actually a Greek word? Okay, polymorphism means that is actually a Greek word. Like, polymorphism is retrieved from two words. Poly means many. Morphos means forms. Okay, now the best example for polymorphism is how to say this. Right, guys, actually this very famous movie is there, like Aparachitra movie is there, Vikram movie. Did you see that? Anyone see that? Aparachitra movie will be there, right? The candidate is same, the person is same, but he will be behaving differently in different situations. Yes. Exactly. Split personality. Or else, for example, you can take this the one famous Telugu movie. This is like what is that movie? Rajinikanth movie is there, right? Chandramukhi. Did you remember that movie? Yes. There also there will be like split personalities, just like my hang on, yeah, just like my wife. Right. So what I want to say is, but did you got an overall idea, guys? Did you got an overall idea? What is actually polymorphism? Right. Exactly. Right. So polymorphism means it is a process of performing various tasks with the same identity. As simple as this. Okay. Now, basically, guys, do you know what this polymorphism is of two types. Okay, polymorphism is of two types. Those are compile time polymorphism, and second one is runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism and second one is runtime polymorphism. Two types of polymorphisms. Okay, compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Compile time and runtime. Now, compile time polymorphism is most commonly known as method overloading. Compile time polymorphism is most popularly known as method overloading. Okay. Runtime polymorphism is most commonly known as method overriding. Okay. This is method overloading. This is method overriding. As simple as this. As simple as this. Okay. Now, guys, mark my words when I say this. Most of the Java interviews will not be completed by this question. What is actually method overloading and what is actually method overriding? Most of the Java interviews. Okay. So just a small and a quick recap, guys. Just a small and a quick recap. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism means it is a process of, what is meant by polymorphism? Polymorphism means it is a process of performing various tasks with the same identity. Various tasks with the same identity. Okay, now there are two types of polymorphisms are there. What are those? Compile time polymorphism and please tell me. Exactly. Compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Yes, compile time polymorphism is also known as method overloading and runtime polymorphism is also known as method overriding. Right. Now, guys, today we are going to discuss about method overloading. Method overloading. Method overloading. Now, I'm 100% sure that you will get this question. 100% sure. You will be getting this question in your interview. So please concentrate correctly. Okay. Please concentrate correctly. Now, what is method overloading? What is method overloading? Writing two or more methods in writing two or more methods in the same class. Writing two or more methods in the same class having same method name, but different parameters. This is actually method overloading. This is actually method overloading. What do you mean by method overloading? Method overloading means writing two or more methods. Writing two or more methods in the same class having same method name. Just let me try to write like this. Same method name, but different parameters. I mean, parameters should be different, but different parameters. That is known as method overloading. As simple as this. So regarding this method overloading, we will be trying to check different possibilities, different scenarios with the help of a program. But before going to that, guys, if you face this question, what is actually method overloading? Please, I request you, please start with the word. Please start with the word writing. Okay. Can you do that for me? I'm requesting you, if you face this question, please start the answer. With the word writing. then automatically remaining answer will be coming. Okay. Can you please tell me once for me? What is actually method overloading? What is actually method overloading? Tell me. No need to write. No need to write. You just tell me. Writing. Writing. Having same method name, but different parameters. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? What is actually method overloading? Right. Now, let us try to see a program on this method overloading. Guys, you will get this question here. Please don't do any mistake. I know you will get this question. Please. Whenever you are getting this question, please don't do any mistake. Please answer it correctly. Okay. Right. Now, let me just try to perform method overloading. Okay. I am trying to have some methods like this. Okay. Now, let me just go with void method 3. This is method 3. This is method 4. Let me go with one more method. Let me go with method 5 also. No problem. Okay. Now, in my class A, I am having 5 methods. Or else let us go with 4 methods only. Why 5? I am having 4 methods. Okay. Now, I want to perform method overloading. Tell me first what I need to change. First, what I need to change, please tell me. Fantastic. First, I need to change the method name. First, why? Because method overloading means writing 2 or more methods. Writing 2 or more methods in the same class. Okay. In the same class. Okay. Having same method name. Okay. So first we need to write same method name. Okay. Let me make it like method 1 and method 1 and method 1. Sir, but we are having 4 methods, but same method name. We are getting an error. Please go with the remaining part of the definition also. So same method name. Yes. Okay. That we have already did that. Same method name we already did that. What is the second one? Different parameters. Parameters should be different. Okay. So when we want to write different parameters, okay, I'll do one thing. Just let me go with like int a. Okay. And here int a comma int b. Okay. Now, for example, string yes. Okay. String yes. And here I just want to write int a, string yes comma int a. For example, guys, okay, star backslash, okay, like this. For example, please help me out. Okay, if I am writing a method like this, I mean, if I write one more method, I had kept this in comment. Okay, if I write one more method, int a comma, sorry, int a comma string yes. Tell me, is it correct? Right now that method is in comment. Right now that method is in comment. If I remove that from the comment, am I going to get an error or not? If you think that error, just mention in the comment error, or else no error. As simple as this. Okay. 98% of the time students are saying that 98% of the time students are saying that we will not be getting any error, and that is 100% correct. That is 100% correct. We will not be getting any error. Sir, but actually you said different parameters. Here also 2 parameters. Yes. Here also 2 parameters. Here also 2 parameters. Okay, guys, these are 2 parameters. But what are these parameters? Types. These both are integers. Fine. Okay. In here, one is a string and other is int. Yes. But sir, but here also one is string and other is in, but order. Order, guys, order. Did you observe here? Order is different. Here, first string, then int. Okay. So order is first string, next int. Here, first int, next string. So no problem, guys. Nothing will happen. Are you understanding me? Guys, please tell me. Are you understanding me? No problem. Nothing will happen. You can write like this. Happily, you can write like this. Okay. Now, tell me. First method. How many parameters we are having? How many parameters we are having? 0. Please check the method name. Same method name? Same method name? All the methods are having same method name. Okay. How many parameters the second method is having? 1. How many parameters the third method is having? 2. But those are, can you please tell me the order? Int and int. Okay. How many parameters this method is having? Yes, 2 parameters. What is order? String and int. Yeah, fine, no issues, nothing will happen. We can write like this. Okay, very good. Now, what is the, like, how many parameters the last method is having? 2 parameters. Okay. Now here, first one is int, second one is string. Sir, but you said same method name, different parameters. Exactly. Exactly. These are different parameters only. For example, if I'm trying to write one more method with integer k, integer k. Now, am I getting an error? Am I getting an error? Yes, I'm getting an error. Why? Because already one method is present there with integer data type. Sir, but name is different. Name, we don't matter. Like, we did not consider name. We will be considering the type. Are you understanding me? Please respond. Please respond. Yes. For example, if I take string k, am I going to get any error? String k. Am I going to get any error? Exactly. Obviously, I'll not be getting any error here. If I'm taking string, nothing will happen. I'll not be having any error. As simple as this. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Is it clear? Okay. Now, let me try to write. Okay, system.out.println. I'm simply writing 10. Simple code. System.out.println 20. And here system.out.println 30. Just for understanding purpose, by the way, 30. And here system.out.println 40. And here system.out.println 50. Like this. Okay, that's it. Not more than that. Now, okay, guys, please, main method, new class A. I'm creating an object. Let me try to have a reference. AOBJ belongs to class A, like this. Okay. Now, guys, I want to call this method one, first method. Can you please give me the code? Can you please give me the code for calling the first method? Go ahead. First method, only the first method. Yes. Simply AOBJ dot method one. That's it. AOBJ dot method one. Okay. Right click, run as Java application, and I'll be getting my output as 10. Am I right or wrong? No. I want to call this second method. Tell me. I want to call this second method. Sir, if you want to call the second method, simply AOBJ dot method one, and here you need to pass a parameter like this. Just some parameter. Now we'll be getting our output as 20. Okay. Now I want to call my third method. Come on, continue guys. Please continue. AOBJ dot method one. Third method, what are the parameters? Int A. Okay, int A. Here, just I'm trying to pass 1000 and 2000 like this. Okay, let me save it. Let me execute. Right click, run as Java application. So 30. Now, okay, fourth method, AOBJ dot method. Okay, what are the parameters? Fourth method, first string. Okay, string. Okay, I'm just going with Java, and here just simply I'll be going with 2500. Some data, just some data like this. Let me execute. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, 40. And finally, last method. Okay, AOBJ dot method one, and I'm just trying to pass some 6000 and any data, nothing, just simple Java is AWS. Awesome, like that, and I'll be able to get my output, that is 50. So did you understand how to write a method and how to call these methods? Are we having any problem here? Literally no problem. Basing on the parameters, what are the parameters we are having? We are just trying to pass them. Yes. Now, guys, what do you mean by polymorphism? What do you mean by polymorphism? Performing various tasks. It is a process of performing various tasks with the same identity. Identity means method name, guys. Are you observing here? Same method name. Method name is same, but each method will perform different actions. As simple as this. Now, did you understand the definition of polymorphism? Writing two or more methods in the same class having same method name but different parameters. Right. Now, important points. Guys, please help me out. For all these methods, what is the access modifier? Public or default? Public. Madhu. Default. For example, I want to make public, private, protected, default. Can I execute my program now? Can I execute my program? Am I going to get the same output? Means my question is, can I perform method overloading for a private method? What is your answer? Guys, what is the scope of private method here? What is the scope of private access modifier? Within the same class. So, even though if we are having our access modifier as private, we will not be having any impact on our output. So, can we perform method overloading for a private method? Answer. Please answer. Can we perform method overloading for a protected method? Public method? Default method? Guys, basically any access modifier, no problem. Any access modifier, nothing to worry. Happily, you can perform method overloading. Am I clear with this? Right. Sir, but here, when you're speaking about return type, one is having void, another is having, all are having void, sir. Shall we change? Okay, let us check. Int, and I'm making RETURN, return A. Just let me try to make it as string RETURN, return yes. Guys, did you understand the program? Did you understand what I'm doing here? I'm changing the return type. I'm changing the access. I mean, previously I have changed the access modifier. If I change the access modifier, happily, I'm able to perform method overloading. Now, if I change the return type also, am I able to perform method overloading? Let us check. Right click, run as Java application. Is there any impact? Is there any impact? No. So now tell me, can we perform method overloading if we change the return types also? 100%. 100%. 100% we can perform method overloading even though if we change the return type, no problem. Okay, now answer this question. Can we overload static method? Can we overload static method? Okay. Okay, guys, some people are saying yes, we can overload static method. Okay, so if you are saying yes, can I overload main method? Can I overload main method? Okay, now let us go. Guys, right now I want to overload main method. Okay, right. Main method. Why I am getting an error? Why I am getting an error? Tell me. Parameter same. Okay, let me make this as string yes. String yes. And here I'll be going with as int a. Int a. Okay. Now here I'm writing system.out.println ruamazed amazed. And here system.out.println we can overload any method in Java. Okay, we can overload any method in Java, right? Sir, but we are having two main methods. I mean, three main methods. Which main method will be getting executed, sir? Which is valid main method here? Which is valid main method? Tell me the line number. Tell me the line number. Yes, valid main method is line number 27. That's it. Sir, then these main methods will be getting executed only if you call them. If you call them, okay, means how? Okay, for example, system.out.println. Just let me try to. Please observe here, guys. Did you remember how to call a static method? In how many ways we can call a static method? Yes, yes, three ways. Okay. Shall we do like this? Class A dot main. Yes, S value. Just I'm going with Java. I'm just going with Java, and I want to call this main method also. So class A dot main, and here I'm going with something like 1500 like this. Now right click, run as Java application. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand? Exactly, guys. Other main method. See, always this is the valid main method. Other main methods are just considered as normal methods only. It will not be considered as valid main method. Kindly please don't get confused. Kindly please don't get confused. Okay, Manoj? All right, guys. All right. All right. Now, right. Harshini, again, I am saying you, this is, I think, second time or third time. I did not remember. Please wait for the topic. Let me write like this so that you will be understanding that. Okay. Please wait for the topic to be completed. Is it okay, Harshini? Please respond. Please respond, Harshini. Please respond. Good, good, good. Right. Now, guys, so again, can we overload a method if we are having different access modifiers? Please tell me. Yes. Can we overload a method if we are having different return types? Yes. Can we overload a method like static method can be overloaded? Yes. Now, can you please read this point? We can overload any method in Java. Any method. Okay. For example, sir, let me make this method as final, final, final. Here also I'll be going with final. Now, right click, run as Java application. Can I overload? Is there any impact? Any method, again, I'm saying you, any method can be overloaded. You just have to follow only one rule. What is that rule? Method name should be same. Parameters should be different. That's it. There is only one rule in method overloading. Again, I'm saying you, any method, public method, private method, protected method, final method, static method, any method can be overloaded. Right? Now, guys, please, first write this program regarding what is this final method. Guys, final is actually a keyword. What is this final method? We will be discussing in our coming classes. Kindly please wait until the topic is completed. Okay. I want to discuss that at the time of final keyword only, but okay, we'll be trying to discuss that later, Krishna. Okay. Please wait for it. As of now, Krishna, kindly please do remember final is a keyword. Just like static, final is also a keyword. Okay. Now, guys, please do me a favor. First, I want you to write this program. After writing this program, please give me an example for constructor overloading. First, write this program. Please. whenever you are writing the code, please don't simply copy paste, guys. Okay, please don't simply copy paste. I'm requesting you. Please don't simply copy paste. Like writing a statement, you need to check that. You need to understand the code. Please understand. Please understand. Rathod, yeah, that is good, Rathod. Why? But why you are not using laptop, buddy? I requested you to use laptop, Rathod. Come on. Expected more. Nagarjuna, please give the code completely. Please give the code completely, buddy. Okay, Ravi, you're saying line number 36 is not clear. Okay, what you did not understand in line number 36, Ravi? Ravi Ranjan, what you did not understand in line number 36? Like why it is not clear? What is the doubt you are having? Can you please tell me, buddy? Class name with main. Okay. What is this main? Main is a method. Which method? Static method. We can call static method with the help of class name. That's it. Okay. I hope it's clear, buddy. Good. Pleasure. Please carry on. Carry on, guys. Please write. After writing this program, I requested you to write a program for constructor overloading. Constructor overloading, please. Parvesh, write the program. Write the program for constructor overloading. Right. Now, Ganesh. Okay, Ganesh, you are having a small doubt. You're saying that it's a main method we can't call. Yes, of course, that is correct. It's called automatically. Yes, that is correct. But why you call main method? Okay. Point number one, Ganesh, please don't consider these main methods as valid main methods. Okay. These two main methods are normal static methods. Normal static methods. The name of those methods is main. Okay. Main method will be called automatically. Yes, that is 100% correct. But which main method? Valid main method. For example, how many main methods are there in my program? Ganesh, tell me. Only one. What about this is main method? This is main method. This is main method. How many main methods are there? Tell me. Ganesh. 3 main methods. In these 3 main methods, which one is valid? Tell me the line number. Exactly. Line number 27 is valid main method. Am I calling this main method anywhere? Am I calling this main method anywhere? No. Is it clear? These are normal main methods. That's it. Not valid main methods. For example, if you are not writing this main method, if you are trying to run your program, can you run? Can you run? No. Why? Because valid main method is missing. Is it clear? Right. That is good. That is good. Parvesh, any constructor here, any constructor. Okay. So guys, some people are saying that we cannot overload constructors. Okay. Okay, guys, did you complete this method? I mean, did you complete this program? Can I remove this? Did you complete this program? Can I remove this? I'm removing 3, 2, 1, gone. Okay. Done. So I requested you to write a program on constructor overloading. Okay. Class A, like this. Now system.out.println. Just I'm writing default to default construct default constructor, and I'm trying to write class A. Now here I'll just try to make it as a string yes, like this, and here system.out.println yes, just yes, that's it, not more than that. Okay, now main method. Inside my main method, I'm trying to have new class A. I'm calling my constructor, default constructor, and from the default constructor, I'll be able to call my parameterizer constructor with the help of this keyword. AWSYM. Awesome. Am I right or wrong? Now, please tell me, guys, what is actually method overloading? Same name, different parameters. That's it. Guys, I hope it's clear for everyone. Did you understand the concept here? Did you understand what is this actually? This is this constructor call. You know that we can call present class constructors with the help of this constructor call. Yesterday only we discussed this. Did you remember that, guys? For example, just let me try to write one more constructor, and here I'm going with int a comma string yes. Okay, here simply I want to print a. Now I want to call this constructor from this constructor. Can you please give me the code? I want to call two parameterizer constructor from my single parameterizer constructor by using this constructor call. Can you please give me the code? Yes, Krishna, that is good. Krishna, Soumya, yes, Sushil, Datta, Manoj, Rabia, Redmi. Who is Redmi here? Naveen, yes, very good, guys. Very good. Okay, a lot of people are giving me the outputs. Now, please observe here simply this. Okay, and here I'm going with some 5,000, and I'll be going with HELLO. Hello, that's it. That's it. Not more than that. Right click, run as Java application, and I'll be able to get my output. That is 5,000. Java is awesome and default constructor. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Is it clear for everyone? This is constructor overloading. This is constructor overloading. Right? Now, guys, yeah, I got your programs. By the way, I got your programs. I'm very impressed. A lot of people gave me the programs like Pratyusha, Naveen, Rathod, Krishna. I got your programs, guys. I got your programs like Sushil. That is very good. That is very good. Thank you. Thank you for sending your programs to me. And Suma. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to show you some questions. I'm expecting the answers from you. Can you do that for me? Are you ready? Okay. First question. Answer me the first question. Go ahead. Only the first question. That is very good. That is very good. Yes, we can do that. Second question. Yes, we can do that. Third question. Can we overload two methods if one method is static and other method is non-static? Yes. Just now we have seen that example also. Yes. Fourth one. Can we achieve method overloading by changing the return type? Of course. Yes. Guys, There is only one rule for method overloading. There is literally only one rule for method overloading. What is that rule? What is that rule? Same. No, complete rule. Same method name. Same method name, different parameters. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Okay, guys, I hope it's clear for everyone what is actually method overloading. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about method overriding. Method overloading, guys, any method you can overload here. Blindly remember this point. Blindly remember this point like a shortcut. In Java, any method can be overloaded. Private method, static method, final method, public method, protected method, any method you can overload, right? There is only one rule, same method name, different parameters. That's it. Overriding, there are some rules are there in method overriding. So tomorrow we'll be trying to look on those rules. Is it okay, guys? So today we have done with our method overloading, and tomorrow we'll be trying to complete with our method overriding, guys, right? All right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. I hope you have enjoyed our today's session. And once again, I'm saying you a very happy Holi to you and your family members. Hopefully next Holi, not hopefully, I know that you will celebrate your next Holi with your colleagues, and remember my words. Okay. Right. Happy Holi, guys. Happy Holi. Thank you, guys. And one last thing, guys, every day I'll be trying to upload a question in the Instagram. Please check with that. Whether you are able to answer that question or not. Okay. If possible, please try to answer it in a comment so that it will be easy for others also. Right. All right, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you.